Senate Public Order and Dangerous Drugs Committee Chairman Ping Lacson says the Bureau of Customs intentionally auctioned off a confiscated shipment, which was eventually discovered to contain 1 billion peso worth of illegal drugs. Lacson was referring to the shipment in Malabon just last week, which contained 146 kilograms of shabu hidden in 114 bags of aluminum pallets and tapioca starch. In a privileged speech, Lacson says the Bureau claimed it auctioned off the shipment instead of seizing it, even after verifying that it contains illegal drugs. The Bureau earlier explained that this was a scheme to bait drug syndicates interested in bidding for the drug shipment. But Lacson is not buying this explanation. He says a report signed by the Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency Regional Director before the auction states that the shipment has no dangerous drugs, controlled precursors, and essential chemicals. The report stated it was immediately auctioned off because the shipment was declared as perishable. It was only after it was released to the winning bidder and during the cleaning of the shipment that it was found out to contain illegal drugs.
Mr. President, we put the BOC and the PDEA on notice that we were not born yesterday. It does not take much to figure out the holes in the plot that some not-so-smart characters in these agencies tried to fabricate but failed miserably. Simply put, this is a case of dishonesty with the intention of misleading the public.
Lacson also says his sources confirm that a number of departments in the Bureau still receive payoffs per container van. It ranges from 1,000 to 5,000 pesos per container, while each container with an alert order could fetch up to 50,000 pesos. Lacson says 2,000 to 7,000 containers go through processing for release every week at both the ports of Manila and Manila International Container Terminal, or MICT.
I was informed that just recently, the TARA system has not been by any chance suppressed. Worse, for many customs officials, it remains business as usual. Imagine how much TARA goes to the pockets of these insatiably corrupt customs officials.
Lacson also questions the appointment of relieved MICT Collector Vener Bakiran as Customs Deputy Commissioner. Bakiran was relieved due to his alleged involvement in a multi-billion peso shabu shipment that entered the country. The senator recalls Bakiran was also identified as a bagman in the list of customs personnel receiving payola. Lacson says per his sources inside the Bureau and those who regularly transact business with the agency, Customs Commissioner Ray Leonardo Guerrero remains untainted by corruption, at least as of now and as far as he is concerned. Lacson, however, says that the corruption in the agency is a problem Guerrero needs to address. Joyce Ilas, CNN Philippines.